This is Earth, our home in the universe. And this is Mars, the red planet. It has no magnetic field, lower gravity, almost no atmosphere, and is very far away. So why should we go? As Dr. Robert Zubrin once said in one of his lectures, it is because Mars is where the science is, where the challenge is, and where the future is. Mars as science. When we go to Mars, we want to answer one of the biggest questions that bugged philosophers, thinkers, scientists, and the general public for ages. Is there life on Mars, or is it a completely dead planet with no signs of life ever existing on it? If we find some fossils or living creatures, we could examine them to see if they are carbon-based like we are, maybe silicon-based, or something completely different. If they are carbon-based, that could prove the theory that the evolution of life is a general process in the universe and organic compounds come together to form cells that are the building blocks of life. Or it could be that life came to our solar system on meteorites that hit both Earth and Mars. Or they could be just contamination from our own tools and robbers. This is the scientific method in practice, where you have a question, you create a hypothesis, and test it with many experiments to get some data that will help you to come to a conclusion, to ask new questions, create new hypotheses, and communicate your results in the end. Mars as a challenge. Mars will be a challenge for our technology and our human capabilities as well. As for our technology, it will require improvements in many areas like communication, rocket technology, habitats, industry, and medical technology. As for the human body, it will pose difficulties both physiologically and psychologically. It is well known that spaceflight is a stressful environment for the human body. Astronauts experience osteoporosis and muscular atrophy while in microgravity, with other effects like the spaceflight-associated neuroocular syndrome or SANS. Cardiovascular issues and decreased immune function are observed as well. The effects of cosmic and solar radiation are less known, but these are also potentially very dangerous. As for mental health, the main questions are how will astronauts handle confined environments, isolation, distance from Earth, or difficulties between team members. Solving all these technological and healthcare challenges could improve the lives of millions back here on Earth. Mars as the future. Life on Earth will be impossible in 5 billion years, when the sun becomes a red giant and heats up our planet or even swallows it. 5 billion years is a long time, but life on Earth could end much sooner as a result of global warming or meteorite impact wiping out all life forms for an eternity. So, in order for humanity to survive longer than Earth can support life, we need to become a multiplanetary civilization. Our life was born on Earth, but it was never meant to die here. To colonize distant planets and maybe other solar systems, colonizing Mars is the first step we need to take so humanity and life with it can go beyond Earth.